As Fort Wayne's only realtor who used to be a home inspector, I like to educate my buyers on issues I see before they make an offer. I'm going to show you a picture and then a couple seconds later, tell you what I see. This furnace has so many issues, it's comical. Let's start with the fact that it's sitting on two metal tubs. This is not stable. The tubs were not designed to hold this much weight. It is unimaginable that someone would install an expensive new furnace on metal tubs. I suspect that this furnace was not brand new when it was installed. Someone got a bargain on a used one. You are most likely looking at a DIY project. You can also see the rust over the furnace by the exhaust discharge line. There's another loose electrical wire along the side of the furnace. This furnace should be evaluated by an HVAC contractor before purchasing. Do you see mud tubes running along the wooden framing and dangling down from the floorboards? These are termite mud tubes. Termites are wood-destroying insects. They can cause major structural issues. If you see something like this, make sure to have a pest inspector look over the home before you purchase. Interested in learning more about termites? Check out my How to Find Termites in a Basement video. This is in the basement of a pioneer home built around 1900. Do you see the snakeskin? This is more creepy than anything else. I would recommend having an animal control company come out, but it would keep me from purchasing the home. You can see some pink insulation also falling. I had to climb a back deck handrail to see this flat roof. The roof is completely disintegrating and is heaving up. It needs to be replaced. Also, did you happen to notice the exposed electrical wires along the back by the siding, just sitting right there on top of the roof? It simply has electrical tape over the wires. This is a major safety concern. The wires needs to be removed from the elements. If you want to be smarter than the average home buyer, hit that subscribe button. I'm Andy, a realtor with eXp Realty.